Classique Creations has been a leader in the bridal industry for over 20 years.
Obviously, we are amazing in engagement rings and wedding bands, stackables, but we're also a one-stop shop. Anything that can be done in jewelry, we can do it.
Whether it's fashion, necklaces, pendants, earrings, you want it, we can create it for you.
We're a very modern company. All of our technology is cutting edge.
Create new designs multiple times a year, and so we're always trying to present something new, fresh.
Classique Creations is located right in the heart of New York City. We do all of our manufacturing here. All of our special orders are done in-house. We have an extremely talented team of designers. I think we are the top of the industry when it comes to CAD.
Everyone on this team is an artisan. Anything from casting to construction.
We use really high quality goods. All of our Melli come standard GH color, SI clarity. We offer a lifetime warranty for all of our products.
We stand behind our production team, we stand behind our craftsmen.
Even wear and tear is covered by our warranty. Custom work is what we really excel at.
When a customer walks into your store, whether they have a diamond that they're inspired by, a certain color, an image,
we're really good at interpreting what a customer wants and translating it into a 3D model and eventually a finished piece of jewelry. Because we make everything right here in New York, it means we can turn orders around really quickly, 3 to 4 weeks on average. We can even make a new design in 4 weeks or less. And even in emergency situations, if you have someone that really needs something done in 2 or 3 days, we can make that happen too. In terms of branding and support, there's a lot that we can do.
We have high-resolution images of all of our styles that you can choose to use in any capacity, whether that's on social media, printouts in your store.
One of the most popular options is that we can actually engrave your store logo inside the shank of each ring, so it makes the product very personalized. It becomes your brand, your store.
Can also provide you displays, whether they are branded with our name, or if you just like a plain, beautiful display, you're more than welcome to use that as well.
Anything you need in order to close a sale, we've got your back. Offering you the best possible customer service, a really great experience every time from beginning to end, the highest possible quality. We will bend over backwards to make it happen, no matter what, because we really care. We love what we do. We love making jewelry. We are here and ready to do it for you.